Hello.
I slipped in the shower and I think I dislocated my shoulder. Oh my God, I gotta go to the emergency room.
Well, assuming you're correct that your right humerus is no longer seated in the glenoid socket, I would certainly think so.
Okay, can you drive me?
I don't drive.
Well, I can't drive.
Well, it seems we've reached an impasse. I could call you a cab or an ambulance.
No, I can't wait that long. You gotta help me, please.
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
Could you please drive a little faster?
Oh, I think we're going sufficiently fast. What's that?
Nothing. The engine does that sometimes.
That can't be nothing. Like the check engine light is on. We need to find a service station.
No, the light's been on since I bought the car.
It's all the more reason to consult with a mechanic before it explodes.
It's not gonna explode. Just keep driving. Warp speed ahead, Mr. Spock.
Mr. Spock did not pilot the Enterprise. He was a science officer. And I guarantee you that if he ever saw the Enterprise's check engine light blinking, he would pull the ship over immediately.
Oh, God, I'm gonna lose the arm.
Dog up, red light, release accelerator, and slowly apply the brake. Nailed it.
So, did you get a chance to go over the scene I gave you?
Yes, I didn't care for it.
Okay, Cat on a Hot Tin Roof is an American classic.
So is the McRib sandwich. I don't care for that either.
Fine, what would you rather do as a scene study?
I'm glad you asked. I took the liberty of adapting a Star Trek fan fiction novella I wrote when I was 10 into a one-act play.
And you think it's better than Tennessee Williams?
Why don't we leave that for future generations to decide?
Where no Sheldon has gone before.
It's the story of a young boy who is transported from the ignorant backwoods of East Texas to the 23rd century, where his genius is not only appreciated, but celebrated.
KM.
Now, in this pivotal scene, Sheldon's mother, played by you, argues with an emissary of the United Federation of Planets, Mr. Spock, the role I will bring to life.
Okay, that's fine, but let's try and get you out of your comfort zone.
Why would we want to do that? It's called the comfort zone for a reason.
Okay, the whole point of this is to loosen you up a little. So I'm thinking you'll play the role of your mother, and I will bring life to Mr. Spock.
I'm sorry, you'll be Spock?
It's only logical.
Very well. I'll set the scene.
All right.
East Texas, a warm summer night. A woman, Mary, stands on a porch. In the distance, we hear a lonesome train whistle, woo, woo, droning buzz of cicadas. A coyote howls at the moon, frightening sensitive young boys everywhere. Ow, ow, ow! Out in the woods, an owl screeches.
Okay, we get it. You set the scene.
Who?
All right, just read your mother's line.
Shelley, how many times have I told you not to leave your sciencey stuff out on the porch? Goodness, I'll never understand that boy. But then again, I'm a religious nut, and my mind is closed to so many things.
Spock to Enterprise, transport successful.
Glory be to heaven! Some sort of creature just manifested out of thin air. George, put down that Pepsi can full of bourbon that ain't fooling no one and get your shotgun.
Greetings, Mary Cooper. I am Spock.
I'm sorry, I just don't buy it.
Just keep going.
Oh my! Your sudden appearance startles me.
We have been monitoring your son, Sheldon, from the 23rd century, and we have determined that he is now ready to join us. His unique genius is our best hope for bringing peace to a vast and troubled galaxy.
I understand. Oh, Shelley, a man's here to take you away to the future. And be sure to pack clean underwear.
Okay, let's try that last line again, and this time maybe try choking up a little.
Why?
Well, you're losing your son.
Yes, but he's going to a better place where he won't get beat up so much.
All right, come on, just try it my way. Pretend you're sad to see him go. I'm gonna lead you in. His unique genius is our best hope for bringing peace to a vast and troubled galaxy. That's your cue.
I'm sorry, I just love that line. Even the way you do it.